Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to create Windows 10 bootable USB drive with PowerISO. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you will need a USB drive, 8 GB or higher, a Windows 10 ISO file, and the PowerISO application. Our video on how to download Windows 10 ISO might help you. The link is in the description below. Please be aware that the USB drive will be formatted, so you will lose everything on it. Make sure to back up any necessary files beforehand. Next, go to your browser of choice and search for PowerISO. Navigate to the official website and click on Download. You can download either the 32-bit or the 64-bit version, then install the program on your PC. Once you've done that, insert the USB drive into the computer. Right-click the PowerISO application and select Run as Administrator. Then click on the option to continue with the trial version. In the PowerISO interface, click on the USB menu, then select Create Bootable USB Drive, or you can click on the Tools menu, select USB Tools, then click on Create Bootable USB Drive. Under the Select Source section, Image File, click on the folder icon and select the Windows 10 ISO file. Under the Destination USB Drive section, select your USB drive. Under Settings, Boot Mode, select BIOS and UEFI CSM, MBR, or UEFI, GPT, based on your targeted system, and finally click on Start, then click on OK. Wait for the process to finish. After that, you will be able to use the USB drive to install Windows 10. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.